Cleaning the top of the battery from the green stuff. This is a baking powder and that's water. I guess I could just mix it like this, eh? Paste. After I get finished with this cleaning, then I gotta take the connectors off and clean inside there. I'm just caking on the baking powder on the top, let it do its magic. And then once that's done, I'll see the green stuff is still coming out there. You can see it back there. See the green is still coming out a little bit, oozing out. I've got the post cleaner. And on the top, you got the other one for here. This one. See, there's even green in there too. That's what it looks like when it's all put back together. Now I just got to put the cover back on because there's a cover that goes here.